No legitimate gaming app can guarantee an instant PayPal payment every single time, because your rewards must be credited first. But several apps are known for processing eligible PayPal withdrawals quickly, once they're approved. By the end of this video, you'll know 5 apps that support PayPal payouts, and what actually determines how fast you get paid. The first app is iFreeCashin. You earn rewards by completing sponsored game offers, and reaching specific in-game milestones. Once an offer has been tracked and credited, you can request a PayPal withdrawal through the available payout options. Many users choose FreeCash because eligible withdrawals are often processed quickly after rewards become available. Next is Scrambly. Scrambly also rewards players for completing objectives inside partner games. After your rewards have been verified, you can redeem them through supported methods, including PayPal. The platform is popular with users who want fast access to their earnings after completing offers. Third is In-Aim Cash. Giraffe. Android users earn coins by spending time in supported mobile games. Once enough rewards are available for redemption, you can exchange them for PayPal cash or gift cards. The app keeps the redemption process simple, making it a solid option for casual mobile gamers. The fourth option is Just Playing. The app rewards users for playing games from its library, and available earnings can be redeemed using supported payment methods, including PayPal, in eligible regions. Your payout speed depends on when your gameplay rewards are credited and processed. The fifth app is Freeword. Like FreeCash and Scrambly, Freeword features sponsored game offers that reward users for completing specific objectives. Once those rewards are confirmed, you can redeem them through the supported payment methods, including PayPal where available. Here's the detail many videos leave out. Instant PayPal payment and instant earnings are two different things. Even the fastest apps still need to verify that you've completed the offer correctly before your rewards become available. After you request a withdrawal, PayPal also has to process the transaction. That means the speed depends on both the rewards platform and the payment provider. To avoid unnecessary delays, complete every offer exactly as instructed. Don't uninstall a game before it's tracked, and make sure the PayPal account you use matches your reward account information whenever required. If you're looking for the widest selection of game offers with PayPal support, FreeCash, Scrambly, and Freeword are excellent choices. If you prefer earning through regular gameplay, Cash Giraffe and Just Play are strong alternatives. If this comparison helped you find a faster paying app, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other videos covering the best PayPal reward apps for 2026.